Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Beauty Big Bang XL-035 swatches. This is a beautiful plate. I'm loving these. So here we go. We're going to break this one on out. It's got a lot of lacy like images. I am going to peel that blue film off and then we're going to clean it with some acetone. And I always like to wipe it over with a paper towel. So we're going to get started on these French tip designs on the far left of the plate. And I'm excited that this plate had so many French tip designs and some of the full-size images that you could kind of work in and out of them, you know, work them together. There we go with the first one. Very nice. I will show you up-close images of all of these at the end of the video. Today I'm just using black and white stamping polishes and some leftover tips from when I've swatched, you know, polish collections or hauls or whatever in the past. So I don't know what any of these are. They're just in a little tub for when I do these stamping plate swatches. This one's really cute with all the stars on it. It's got some open stars and solid stars. I like it. There we go. Very cute. And I'm just going to bebop along here, trying to get through these as quickly as possible. I am trying to make these videos not forever long. And that one's real cool. The little lace on the end and then another design on top. Very cute. And you could use these images up by your cuticle. You don't have to use them on the tips of your nails. You can get crazy with it. You guys know I like some crazy manicures. This one looks like tire treads to me. I don't know. I don't know when I would use that one, but it's still cute. And then just like those stars, now we've got open hearts and closed hearts. Very cute. These would be good like for some reverse stamping or advanced stamping. You could fill in those little hearts. Get that excess up with that tape. And this one's nice because it's just dots, you know, like you could do a polka dot mani. Very cute. Now this next image is one of my favorites as far as the French tip designs. It's got that diamond weaved look to it. Very cool. I'm just bebopping along here. I didn't have trouble with any of the images on pickup or transferring them. They all did really well. Very easy to use. I like that. And then another like wavy image. Now this is more like stockings or something. Like fishnet or something. There we go. Dun da da dun. Flip that polish brush around real quick, like magic. I used to be really intimidated by the French tip image designs, but now that we have clear stampers, it's gotten so much easier being able to see through them and see where you're lining them up at. Cute, cute. Alrighty, here we go with the last one on the real French tip designs over on this side of the plate. And this isn't even a real stamping polish. This is the Funky Fingers white gesso, and the black one from Funky Fingers too, Dark Night, I believe. Excuse me. And now we're going to go on and hop on into these full-size images. I'm sorry that one kind of got cut out. And this image right here would work really nice with some of those French tip designs because it's got a lot of the patterns. Here we go with another one with the flowers in the middle. I like these because it kind of lets me know where I need to line them up. You can do them any way you want. That's what's lovely about these big images like this. I'm getting kind of low on that white polish. We're going to have to break up in a new bottle soon. This one's really nice. Those lacy images. I like it. Look really pretty with some sparklies underneath it. And now these images, excuse me, you could use them as a French tip design or by the cuticle coming down from the top. I'm just going to do them on the tips because it's just easier to do that way. Especially some of these, like in the middle. They're when I get to them. Oh, I got a black line on there. I'm going to have to clean that up. But like this one and the next one would be really cool going from the cuticle down into the manicure. Very nice. Very pretty. Or just right in the middle of it like I just did that one. That way you still get to see that pretty polish underneath. That's what I like about these images. Line it up, plop it on there. Not very straight, but that's okay. Still lets you see what it looks like. I'm messing around here. I don't know what I was doing, y'all. I'm sorry. But it's a really cool plate. I love, like I said, I love that it's got full-size images and, you know, smaller images. I like a variety like that. Dun, dun, dun. We are almost done here. So I did top coat all of these swatches, and you will get to see them here right now. So there are a bunch of them, so I'm going to scroll through them real quick so you can get a peek at them, and then I'll have a swatch photo at the end of the whole plate. I did smudge that blue and black one right there. It's my bad. But I would love to hear what you think about this stamping plate. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it, if you like those lacy images. And that is it for me today. So I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.